Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Pixel Flow crashing the second you tap the icon or closing itself before it even loads? Here's the fix. First, swipe up and force close the Pixel Flow app completely from your recent apps. Now, go to your Settings app, then go to General and go to iPhone Storage and check your free space. Since the game crashes on launch far more often when the storage is critically low, free up room by offloading a few unused apps if the storage is tight. If storage looks fine and it's still crashing, press and hold on the Pixel Flow app icon on your home screen, tap remove app, delete app, then tap delete to fully uninstall it. Go to your app store and then search for Pixel Flow. Tap on it and then tap get to reinstall it fresh. After reinstalling, go to your settings once again and go back in general. Go to software update and install any pending iOS updates since crash reports are far more common on outdated iOS versions. Check storage, delete and reinstall from App Store, update iOS, Pixel Flow opens without crashing, and that's it. Subscribe for more Pixel Flow fixes.